Hello, this is Raina with LYLO Crafts coming on today with a special opening. I was contacted by Craspire to see if I would like to try some of their products. And so I selected the products that are inside, and I am going to put a link to their website in the description below, as well as a link to the products that I selected in case you would like to purchase those. And then also, they gave me a special coupon code for you. So it is LYLO5. And if you spend $40, you get $5 off. So LYLO5. And I will also put that in the description box below. So let's go ahead and peek on inside and see what I was sent. So here we go. Ooh, so exciting. Okay. So let's see here. So let's open this one first. Look how beautifully this is all packaged. So great. So great. Now they have all different kinds of products. They have like washi tapes, and they have wax melt items, and I chose the wax melts because I don't have anything like this at all. I've never tried anything like this. And so I chose these wax melt products. So let me get this open. And they have sets that you can purchase. Like this one right here is actually a set. And look, they have these beautiful metallic pens. So this is a whole set. And then I chose some extra items as well. Okay, so let's see what I purchased. So the first thing is this set came with these little tea lights, and this is what you use to melt the wax. And here is the spoon that it comes with to be able to go ahead and melt the wax. And then this set comes with, two of these metal. Oh, excuse me. They're very heavy, which is really nice. These metal fixings that have the beautiful stamps in them. So once you melt the wax, then you can go ahead and put one of these in it and make your stamp or make your wax seal. So here are the pink and the blue handle. This one came with, and then this one says thank you. So beautiful. And this has a really pretty pineapple. So nice. So nice. And then I chose two others. So I chose this one, which is a bow. Isn't that gorgeous? Because I figured I could use that on anything. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to play with this and use these. And then I also chose some gnomes. So I know that there are gnome lovers out there. And I chose this little gnome one. Isn't that cute? It has a little present in it. So I cannot wait to go ahead and play with these and use these. And then I also selected this jar of all these different colors of waxes. So I thought that would be really great because look, you can see there's metallic ones in here, and there's pastel ones and bright colored ones. I thought this would be so great because then I could use it over and over again no matter what kind of project that I was doing. So I selected this, and then lastly, it came with these wonderful metallic markers, which I cannot wait to use. So there are gold metallic pens, and then there are silver metallic pens right here. So I really cannot wait to go ahead and use these pens and use these items. So please come back because I will be demoing how all of these worked and how to actually use this. I'm so excited for it. And again, please go and check Craspire out. I will put a link to their website in the description box below. And don't forget to use the coupon code LYLO5 for your purchase to get $5 off. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe. And I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.